200 bar Nilfisk induction motor metal pump with flow control. Steel armed hose, 15 meter long, 2 different nozzles, cleaning bottle, and a guarantee. Rough. Gentle. This is metal. High quality. It's plastic, but this one is metal. This is their connection. I'm making foam. Wow, this is a beast. I can't take it out. Super heavy. Let's see. Handle. This is safety. Connection on the bottom. Alright. Okay. Now it's locked. This you can turn. Gentle. Rough. This is for the foam. Okay, this is turnable. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Not light, but easy to roll. Feels good. Look, I can even pull it from the side. And it's attached. One, two full circles. This handle. Read the manual. Nice. So let's just go with this diagram. There's a filter that is already inside there. This little thing in here. I think it's a cleaning thing for the nozzle. And this piece with the screw clicks in here, I guess, and should click. Don't know. These are installed correctly. Yes. Still have one more piece. Click. Where does this go? Here? Okay. I did push it in. You have to push it harder with 2 hands. Support this, push it down. And you can buy these accessories: under chassis nozzle, auto nozzle, power patio for flat surfaces, sand blaster, roof cleaner, drain and tube cleaner, and auto brush. And I bought adapter for this, so maybe I can use the Karcher on this. We'll see. 91 decibel. Okay, that's it. Very high quality, but much better than the Karcher, I can tell. So this piece actually goes in there, and you can store it like this or this. This goes here. Nice.